Now, the recent flooding in Louisiana, Iowa, and even our area has some people locally asking if flood insurance rates will be impacted. The National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP, was created as a result of the National Flood Insurance Act of 1968. The flood offers special flood insurance policies for homeowners, renters, and businesses. NFIP is managed by FEMA. The floodplain manager for La Crosse says both agencies operate on an annual budget, and people in La Crosse do not have too much to worry about for now.
You won't see immediate increases in your flood insurance this year based on, the flood events that are local here.
There are about 4,000 homes, businesses, and garages in the city of La Crosse located in high or medium risk floodplain. Those people are required by law to pay for flood insurance if they carry a mortgage.